We are at the 14th edition of PLNOG conference in Warsaw, and my guest is David Barroso from Spotify. Hello, David.
Hello.
David, could you please briefly say what do you do at Spotify?
Spotify, I'm a network engineer there. I am part of the team responsible of managing all the data center network, all the peerings with transit provider, it's just the data center network mostly.
Right. So what's the biggest challenge for you in your everyday job right now?
It's mostly the scale. It's not really a complicated network, but it's really huge. And we have to keep deploying new switches and racks really fast every now and then. So it's mostly this fast pace of growing and the scale.
And today you were our speaker. What was the subject of your presentation?
I was talking about a project I've been working on at Spotify recently. That usually you have like these really big and expensive routers that you use to connect to the internet. So I've been working on trying to use a cheap switch to be able to do exactly the same. So you can just buy a simple and small cheaper switch that can replace this huge router that costs a lot of money.
And was the audience interested? Did they ask any questions?
Not during the talk. They were really quiet, to be honest. But when we finished and I was just walking by outside the room, people was stopping me and asking questions. And yeah, it looks like they were just shy.
Cool. So how do you basically like this edition of PLNOG?
I really like it. I mean, it's completely vendor independent, which is nice. There are a few out there in Europe, but mostly driven by other big vendors. We know them. The cool thing about this one is completely independent, and yeah, it looks like you have a really interesting thing here with all this James Bond theme.
Yeah.
So yeah, it looks really nice. Yeah, it looks.
Right, so did you met any interesting people here?
Yeah, I met some really nice guys working for CDN networks in Poland, IXPs. There are some guys even from France that came here. So yeah, I'm having fun and meeting some interesting people.
Okay, I hope you're going to have fun at the after party as well. Thank you a lot.
Thank you.
David Barroso was my guest. Thank you.